Okay, so I'm installing a diesel heater in my shed because of the winter it's freezing. Okay, so what I've done is I just put a 240 to a 12 volt 10 amp transformer on this side, and I just riveted, because the fuel tank's here, so I just riveted one on here and I used one of the screws on the back, put in there, and just put a couple of little squashy pads in there just so it took the vibration out of it. On the other side, I've mounted the exhaust, and I've just used some nuts in here as spacers to do that. And then on the back of it, I think you can see here, I just mounted a flange on there for the pipe to go onto. And then here at the front I've just put the air cleaner, and I've just used some Gorilla Tape to stick that on there like that. Now I've run the exhaust, brickwork. I'm going to have the inlet pipe also going to do is just put a air inlet on the outside, just so it's drawing in fresh air from the outside. Run the exhaust outside. I've just cut a little bit bigger hole so we don't have to worry about the exhaust hitting or hurting anything, and then you just got it going through the brickwork outside. And I'll just show you what I did on the outside then as well. All these items are all available on eBay, so that's where I got them from. I'm just using these this exhaust compared to the other ones I give with you, just so I don't know why, they just don't heat up as much, they don't get as hot as the other ones, and so I just find they're a better fit. And I just wanted to get this inside because I didn't want to have an ugly exhaust hanging out the side of the shed, because that's where people come into. So that's what I did. I'll take you outside to give you a look what it looks like outside. So basically on the outside, that's all you can see is where the exhaust is running out. I did give it a bit of a test first off to see if it was too much, if it was getting too hot. And no, not really at all, so it was pretty good actually. Mostly heat was eliminated in that first exhaust before it actually hit the muffler, and the exhaust after the muffler wasn't too bad at all. So that looks pretty good and not very noticeable. And then I'll just put a air intake up the top of the brickwork so no one can see it. Just drilling the hole up here, oh, there, for the inlet hole for the diesel heater. So the air will come in from the outside, go down, and go into the diesel heater. I don't know if you can hear me or not with the mask on, but it's very dusty, and these are very slow. So just put the vent over the cover there, use some bit of orange spaghetti, and then some 304 stainless steel screws, some little tops to cover that over. So the hole's quite deep, it's like through 2 sets of bricks. I wasn't expecting that, but now that'll give it plenty of ventilation to go down to there to feed the diesel. Okay, so I've got the diesel heater installed, it's all going, it's pumping heat and warm water. I checked all around the back here to make sure nothing's getting hot. All on here is fine, so that's all good. The transformer on the other side's all fine, and it's pumping out a heaps of hot air. So I reckon I'll be looking forward to working in the shed in the winter this time. Now I've got the diesel heating, so way better than the old kerosene heater, let me tell you.